For this practice, I like to emphasize and focus on ocean-sounding breath. Your glottis in the back of your throat is where you close off to make a sound. Let's practice that together. Hold your hand up. Imagine it is a mirror and you would like to fog up the mirror. All right, I want to see you try it. Come on. You can do that, right? Now, take that same sound on the way in. It's more difficult on the way in. Yes, it is. And it will be more difficult when you do it through your nose too, but you will get it. Now, close your mouth. So with that sound, breathe just through your nose. Soften so it's not so strong. And now take that same whisper ocean sounding breath in the back of your throat. Both on the inhale and the exhale. This ocean sounding breath gives us more control of the breath, like a fireman or a firewoman with a fire hose. And it also massages our vagus nerve in the back of our throat and helps us to relax. We're really focused on developing that vagus nerve in the back of our throat. Close your eyes. Hands on your knees. Chin parallel to the floor. My goal as a coach is to help you help yourself. I hope that you found this helpful. Thank you for your time.